Hi everybody, this is my first off-road ride back in almost 2 years. I'm in California's gold country near Nevada City. The off-road part of this will be from Valencia Road down to the North Fork of Deer Creek. It's not a bad ride except for maybe a little bit of it, but for a first ride, it's a good one. Here's the beginning of Valencia Road. You'll see signs that say private property and keep out, but it is a public road maintained by a government entity. Just be courteous to the people who live along there. Don't raise up too much dust, and you'll be okay. All of the scenes in the video are from my GoPro camera chin mounted to my helmet. You'll also notice that throughout the videos, I'm checking my Garmin Montana GPS to be sure I know where I'm going. Don't leave home without it. Links to all this stuff that I use can be found down below. As you can see, this is your typical dirt road out in the boondocks. A few bumps, a few ruts, and a few potholes, but other than that, standard stuff, so I'm going to jump ahead to where it gets interesting. About here I've slowed way down. On the left there you'll see a blue sign that gives a warning about what's coming up. It means it. And in case you missed the first sign, there's another on the right that tells of things to come. I'll be making more videos as I cruise around gold country, so if you like this one, click on the thumbs up thingy and follow, and you'll get notified when I put up new videos. The first part down isn't too bad, but you'll be able to tell as we go my breathing gets harder and harder, and it gets steeper and steeper. I'm going really slow here, plunking along and making my way through at barely more than an idle. A Honda XR400 is really great at this stuff. The video doesn't show just how really steep this is, but believe me when I tell you, this is not for novice riders. Finally, I can see the creek at the bottom of the hill up ahead. After a little break to catch my breath, I press on down. When I got to the bottom of the hill, it was so steep and uneven, I couldn't find any place to park the bike. So, I turned it around, headed back up the hill. Again, my XR400 is perfect for this sort of stuff. It can plunk along like a tractor, pull with all its torque easily up this hill. It's the best bike for this sort of riding. When I got back up and found a place where I could park the bike, I turned around and walked back down the hill. I wanted to get a good look at the creek. Nuggets as big as your fist. The ride back to Western headquarters was much faster than the ride down. It took me maybe 30 minutes to get to the bottom of the hill the first time, right back down by that creek. Going back, maybe less than 10 minutes. so I sped up the video a bit. You didn't want to watch the boring stuff going down the road anyway. But I got back to headquarters in record time.